Hello, welcome to a 1 minute wonder video. Something new. We're going to try and just explain some of our favourite plants in 1 minute. I've already wasted 10 seconds. So these are Alliums. Alliums is the onion and the garlic family, and they've become really popular in the UK in the last 10 years, and I've only just got it in the last couple of years. Here was probably just 2 or 3 bulbs a couple of years ago, and now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 flower heads and lots of happy bees. These things are great in just about any garden, as long as it's not soaking wet. If it's a well-drained garden, they're great. It's supposed to be in the sun, but these actually, although they're in the sun right now, they get a lot of shade. I've seen alliums growing in very shaded areas, so any well-drained garden, a bit of extra sun, they love it. They come back year after year, very, very hardy. The leaves sometimes go a bit untidy, but it's not a problem. They still flower and come back every year. So a lovely plant, available in lots of different colours. This is Purple Sensation. I'll quickly show you a picture of Christophii, which is one of my favourite varieties, almost like a firework. Lots of different types of alliums. Plant them in the autumn, they disappear over winter and come back in the spring full of flowers. What's not to like?